Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
Okay, let's dive right in. Prepare yourself for a pretty shocking fact about the modern criminal underworld. And this isn't for some tech genius billionaire. The price might actually blow your mind. So how is this even possible? Well, it's all thanks to a dark business model called RaaS. It's a system that's basically turned high-level cybercrime into a simple plug-and-play operation. So how does one of these digital heists actually go down? It's shockingly simple, really. Criminals just buy the attack kits online, lock up a victim's files, and split the ransom. Okay, so the big question is, how do you make yourself a worthless target for these guys? The single most powerful defense against this is, believe it or not, super straightforward. By keeping offline backups of your files, you take away their only leverage over you. Simple. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.